Ports are the lifeblood of global trade, acting as gateways for the flow of goods. Today, ports are evolving rapidly with automation and electrification. Automated cranes and vehicles speed up cargo handling, while electrification reduces pollution. These advancements are necessary as global trade volumes increase, but change comes with challenges, especially for the human element of port work. Machines are taking over tasks that were once done by humans. This shift is not just about efficiency, it's about survival in a competitive world. Ports must adapt or be left behind, but this adaptation has significant implications for the workforce. The push for automation and electrification is driven by a desire to cut costs and reduce environmental impact. The next sections will explore these impacts in more detail, examining the effects on workers, local economies, and the environment. Automation in ports is a double-edged sword, increasing efficiency but threatening jobs. Automated systems can work around the clock, leading to faster turnaround times and lower costs. Traditional roles, such as crane operators and dock workers, are being replaced by machines. Workers are faced with uncertainty about their future, and the fear of job loss is real. Studies show that automation can lead to significant reductions in the workforce. In some ports, up to 50% of jobs could be at risk, leading to economic hardship. However, automation also creates new opportunities for skilled workers to maintain and manage automated systems. These new roles require different skills, but offer a path forward for displaced workers. The challenge is to ensure that workers are prepared for these new opportunities. Training and education are key to helping workers transition to new roles. The impact of automation extends beyond port workers, affecting local economies and social structures. Ports are central to the economic life of a community. When port jobs disappear, the entire community feels the impact. Small businesses may struggle, and unemployment can increase. Families face financial uncertainty, straining the social fabric. Port communities have a unique culture and identity. As jobs disappear, this culture is threatened. Addressing these challenges requires a holistic approach. Electrification is another significant trend in ports, offering numerous benefits, particularly in terms of environmental impact. Traditional port operations rely heavily on diesel-powered equipment, contributing to air pollution. Electrification can help mitigate these issues, producing zero emissions at the point of use. This leads to cleaner air and a healthier environment for port workers and nearby communities. Reducing pollution is crucial in densely populated areas where ports are often located. Electrification also aligns with global efforts to combat climate change. Electric equipment is often quieter and more efficient, leading to improved working conditions and lower operating costs. However, the transition to electrification requires significant capital and careful planning. Ports need to upgrade their facilities to support electric equipment, and the source of the electricity is important. To maximize environmental benefits, ports need to use renewable energy sources. As ports embrace automation and electrification, a balance must be struck between technological progress and social responsibility. The benefits of new technology are clear, but the social costs cannot be ignored. Policymakers and port operators need to consider the broader implications of their decisions. One approach is to implement technology in a phased manner, allowing time for workers and communities to adapt. Gradual implementation can reduce the shock of job losses and provide opportunities for reskilling. Training programs can help workers transition to new roles created by automation and electrification. Engaging with local communities is essential to ensure that the benefits of new technology are shared widely. By involving the community in the decision-making process, ports can build trust and support. Policymakers need to create frameworks that encourage responsible implementation of technology. This includes providing funding for reskilling programs and social support systems. To address the challenges posed by automation and electrification, innovative solutions are needed. Reskilling is one of the most promising approaches, providing training and education for new roles. This not only helps individuals, but also strengthens the overall workforce. Reskilling programs should be accessible and flexible, catering to the diverse needs of port workers. Online courses, apprenticeships, and vocational training can all play a role. Universal Basic Income, UBI, is another potential solution, providing a safety net for workers facing job loss. UBI ensures that everyone has a basic level of income, regardless of employment status. This can help alleviate financial stress and provide stability during times of transition. Implementing UBI requires careful planning and consideration as part of a broader strategy. By combining reskilling and UBI, the negative impacts of technological change can be mitigated. The future of ports is at a crossroads, with automation and electrification transforming the industry. These changes bring benefits, but also pose challenges for workers and local economies. The environmental impact cannot be overlooked. A balanced approach is needed. Collaboration from policymakers, port operators, and communities is essential. The goal is efficient, green, and socially responsible ports.